What's up, everybody? Chris over here, founder of PaulNateTrading.com. And today I'm going to be covering the trade I'm currently in Apple using my Swing Beast trading strategy. It is the kind of the core of all my momentum trading. It's the one strategy that I've been using for the last couple of years. And this thing's a beast. When you're trending and it's working, this is that system that just makes it happen for me. Um, how many times have you seen something like this? Just Apple, for example, just going up, 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 up. You're like, oh, okay, I'm gonna buy that thing. I wanted to buy that thing all the way back here at 180. I missed it. Got up to 190, got up to 200, got up to 220. Now we're 226. There's no way I can actually buy this thing anymore. It's just too freaking expensive. I can't do it. Well, using a systematic approach, that's what, that's the whole reason why I love these sort of systems is you just have to worry about executing. You don't have to worry about being right or wrong. The system is it's right or wrong itself. It has its own win rates, right? You already know that 6 out of 10 times, maybe, well, 67% of the time it's profitable. And those average trades are about 3% returns, or depending on what size you're using that return. And so what I do is I use these things called deep out of the money options. I use 15 delta calls going out a few months, and I go and spend a couple of bucks per call. And if they get moving in a momentum environment, this system is built to be in a perform in a momentum environment. You get 5, 10, 20 to 1 returns on that option. Whereas if you were to go buy the stock, I bought this at 220. It's currently 226.32 or so. I make $6, but I have to put up a lot of money to realize that $6. Whereas if I go put up a couple bucks of options, $100, $200 or whatever, I can walk away with $1,000 profit on those when they work 67% of the time. If they don't work, I have a $100 or $200 loss, which is the strike of that. So I bring all that up because Swing Beast is on discount right now, 50% off for the 4th of July. And why that's exciting to me is we are in Swing Beast season. We are in high momentum, just send it environment right now. Apple's one of the best performers here. I think I have this set up to be trading at like 100%. Yeah, 100% of equity. So, $100,000, you're trading a whole $100,000 on this stock or whatever, which means you're going to have a much bigger drawdown. But since I'm not trading that way, I'm actually using options. The returns are a lot more favorable. So the Sharpe ratio, so that's 0.22. So it's over a 2.64, I believe. Sharpe ratio, Sortino's not as good. Profit factor 2.325, or Sortino needs to be annualized as well. These are just they're monthly. So again, so Sortino is actually something probably like 5 or so. It's a really good system. It's a momentum system. This is how momentum systems perform. So it's not anything super amazing special because it's Swing Beast. I mean, Swing Beast is my own recipe here. It's special because of the fact that it uses market regimes to keep you out of those trades. And that's the big thing, is you don't want to be trading these momentum type long systems in an environment that's going down or going sideways or just fake breakouts everywhere. The thing is, most people think that when you're buying it at 220 or 226 or whatever, that it is the beginning of the market top and it's going to go down for the next couple of years. And you're the idiot who went and bought it. We all have been that person. So I'm not calling you the idiot. I've been that idiot millions of times. That's one of the reasons why I have this system. So this is the sort of system where we're matching market regimes. So in essence, we're finding what assets, what sectors are in that trending momentum phase. Okay, we find those, then we go find the best performing assets within that sector. Apple, in this case, Amazon, Google, Meta. These are all performing like that right now in this regime, and they're just getting going. And so when you time it right, you can pay, a little bit. You can buy these options for a little bit of money. And so, like, I bought the 260s, I think, and we're currently trading 220. If this thing gets going, I could take that, whatever I paid, $200-300 per contract. I can see that jumping into like $20 a contract, $30 a contract. I've had it happen. I've done it plenty of times before. It's amazing to get like these big, huge returns with very little risk. And again, if it's a 67% return and you're wrong, well, you lose the premium. You don't actually lose the big, 10, 20%. So that's what we're doing. We have a 50% discount on this system, also on Curvy and the Trading Lab right now for the 4th of July, even though it's the 5th. You can use promo code MERICA, MERICA, at pollinatedtraining.com to join us. The links are going to be down below in the video here. You can go ahead and click on those and get access to it. This is actually a core component of so much of my my momentum trading, and this is like my favorite strategy that I have. This is just the one for me. So if you're interested, click on it, take a look. We can also see, we're getting similar sort of scenarios in Meta has already been in one, actually. No, that's not the algo. But you can see Alphabet is starting to move, same sort of scenario. Amazon starting to move, same sort of scenario. And, like you're just seeing the breakout just beginning right now. One thing to just keep in mind is, we had probably spent 2 years before a new all-time high in the markets, and the big names are just starting to go right now. So likely going to have some good fun this summer. I'm excited for it. pollinatedtraining.com. Also, send this video to an enemy or a friend. Give a little tickle to that thumbs up. I'm doing what I can to push this stuff out there for you guys. Last little bit on this trade, if you made it through this far, it sits in there for about 3 weeks before it looks to get in again. You can see there was a trade here and it sat in for about 3 weeks, got out, and then, yeah, it missed this one, but they're right back in again. And now this is a lot more strength. Heading into a weekend, somehow we're going to survive not having markets on Saturday and Sunday open. Maybe they can make crypto exciting. They're definitely making it exciting right now. That's all I got, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please enjoy.